Let's use Dual-Core MCU Support in NECTO Studio to build advanced multi-core embedded applications. Start by opening the New Project wizard to create a new Dual-Core MCU project. Give your project a name, choose a location path, and confirm that the project type is set to Dual-Core MCU project. Next, launch the Setups wizard and select a compatible dual-core hardware setup. Make sure to choose the correct compiler along with the appropriate software library version. Then, select the development system you will be using, followed by a compatible dual-core microcontroller. You will notice a dual-core icon that visually distinguishes these devices from single-core MCUs. For this demo, we will skip display configuration since it is not required. The final step in the setup process is selecting a programmer debugger device. Once your hardware and project configurations are complete, NECTO Studio automatically prepares a dual-core workspace with dedicated folders and source structures for each core. You will see separate code environments for Core 1 and Core 2, enabling clean task separation and easier system design. Now, build the project. NECTO handles everything: parallel compilation, dual-core linking, and correct startup sequencing. When it is time to debug, NECTO provides full dual-core debugging capabilities within a single interface. For example, you can step through instructions on Core 1, then you can switch to Core 2 and use run-to-line functionality. You can start, pause, or restart each core independently. And finally, perform simultaneous flashing with automatic hex merging. With NECTO Studio's dual-core debugger, you can watch variables on each core in real time, so you always stay in control of your system's behavior. That is how easy it is to go from device selection to working dual-core project layout using NECTO Studio's dual-core project support.